Hello people. Now today's video is all about setting up a Facebook ads interface for someone who is thinking to start their campaigns or their business with Facebook. Now, when it comes to creating the ad account, then it looks something like this. An ad account which is having campaign on the top, then we have ad sets under the campaign, and finally we have the ad copies, which means ads. But then we can't or we don't set up the Facebook ad account directly. Before setting up the Facebook ad account, we have to set up two additional things. The first one is setting up a Facebook page, and then we have to set up a Facebook business account. Now, I'm going to take you into the Facebook business account first of all, which is the right or the recommended way to start any form of advertisement. Even though people can create the Facebook ad accounts directly from their profiles, but then it's not the recommended way. So whenever you think about starting a business, which means starting a business to advertise on Facebook, we have to create a Facebook business account. Now, this business account is going to have all of your properties. When I say properties, I'm talking about a Facebook page, which has to be available within this business manager account. Along with that, we can have the Instagram account linked with this business manager account. And then the WhatsApp account, which means a phone number, which is a business WhatsApp number, has also to be linked within this business manager account. So basically, we are managing everything under this business manager account, and anyone who need to access this account has to be added either under people, which means either as a team member of this business manager, or if you are assigning this account or this business manager to an agency, then you have to share them the account access under these partners options. Now, let's get started with how do we create this business manager account. So you simply have to get into a link, which is business.facebook.com/overview. When you click on this link, you get an option to create a Facebook or Meta Business Suite. So earlier name was Facebook Business Account, but now everything is rebranded as Meta. That's why we call it Meta Business Suite or Meta Business Manager. Both things are same. You have to click on this option that says create an account. You have to provide the business name. So in our case, let's say if our business name is, okay, now before we set up a business name, we need to have a project. Without a project, without a business, we cannot set up any business account. And I have seen digital marketer getting failed in learning digital marketing because they don't keep a project in the learning process. So it's always recommended to have a project first. Once you have the project, then it's easy for you to launch all the campaigns for this project, and then you can see the performing campaigns for that project. So in our case, we are considering this project, which is a Springtails, an artificial jewelry store. Now, the first thing is to provide the business name. So here we are providing the project name as Springtails. Then you have to add in your name. And after adding the name, you have to provide the business email ID. It's always recommended that you provide the business email ID to the business manager. Once all these three things are available, you can simply click on submit and create a business manager account. It may take a while, and for me it's saying unable to create the account because I have reached the limited number of businesses under my profile. So I already have a lot of business managers, maybe more than 10 business managers are there. That's why it's not giving me an option to create another business account. In your case, you have to create a business manager account by clicking on this link. And let's say there are some people who are also having this limit or this restriction to start a business manager account. In that case, what you can do, you can ask your client or you can ask anyone else, maybe a manager, to create the business account under his profile, and then he can share the access with you. Now, so once you click on submit, you are going to get something like this. This is a business manager account, which we have already set up for Springtails. Now, once you have business manager account, the first thing that you do is to either link an existing page or else you create a fresh page for this business manager account. Now, one thing without which you can't run any form of advertisement, any form of promotion on Facebook is a Facebook page. So you can't have or you can't do anything without a Facebook page. Now, once you have the Facebook page available, then you can simply create a Facebook ad account. Now you can ask me if it's needed to have a Facebook, I'm sorry, if it's needed to have an Instagram account. Yes, it's needed. Yes, it's recommended, but it's not compulsory to have the Instagram account. Even without an Instagram account, you can launch and run all the campaigns which can show the ads on Facebook or in fact on Instagram without the account. But without Facebook page, you can't do anything. So that's why it's needed to have the Facebook page first. Now, once we have the Facebook page, we can simply click over here. We can go to the add account section, and within this add account section, we can create a fresh account. Otherwise, we can also link an existing account with this business manager. So let's say you have already have an account, your client is having an account, and you simply want to link that account with this business manager. Then you have to click on add and choose the second option, which says request access to an ad account. Now, once you have this ad account available, you can assign this ad account to people who are having access of your project under this people section, and then you can assign people to this project. Now, in fact, to this ad account. And then we can simply click on ads, open in ads manager, from where we can start launching our ad campaigns. So we can have multiple ad campaigns in this ad account. So, and there we're gonna get some information. So let me quickly get you or show you any running ad account so you can understand how does this ad account looks like. Right, so here I'm showing you the data for one of the ad accounts. So you can see how does data is available in the Facebook ads interface. So here I'm having multiple campaigns towards my left, starting with a campaign for Middle East, USA, Delhi, and Canada. And these were the lead generation campaigns, a campaign where the objective was to generate leads. And then towards my right, you can see the reach, then you can see impressions, you can see the amount which we have in spent for all of these campaigns, and then the cost per result. Now, when you get into any of the available campaigns, under the campaigns, you get into ad set. In ad set, we define different audiences for the campaign. We choose if you want to show the ads on Facebook, on Instagram, on third-party audience, or also on Facebook, on Messenger. Or else we also decide if we want to show the ads to a particular age range, a particular city. All of these settings of the campaign happens at the ad set level, under which we have another option, which is add. So you add your creatives, or else you add your carousels, and then you add your videos within the ads tab of Facebook ads interface. And now if you have any project, then it's time to start launching the campaign by clicking on this create button. I'll see you in the next video.